Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today it's a rainy day, and I decided I'm going to work on the house. This is the Build a House by Yourself series, and right now we're going to install these blinds, and we're going to review Smartwings blinds. These are Smartwings blinds from Amazon, and they're automatic blinds. They got a motor. You can order the motor on either side. They have a USB charging port. You can get remotes that can do up to 15 different blinds, or you can get the ones I got, they'll do 5 blinds. So like the bedroom and bathroom, we could have one that does three blinds. It'll work perfect. But yeah, today we're going to review these. I'm going to show you how to adjust them, and let me show you how easy it is to install them. Let's get started.
There he goes, it's a working man, trying to make a living any way he can, and he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. Oh, work it out.
Okay, this is going to be a short video because these blinds are just too easy to install. They're too easy to adjust. I would definitely recommend buying these again. Matter of fact, I didn't buy all the blinds for all my windows because I wanted to basically see how these blinds were first and if I liked them. And I can tell you I really liked them, and I ended up ordering 4 more blinds for a couple of the other windows. But yeah, let's install these real quick. So basically this particular window, the longer the window, the more little mounts you have. On this particular window you have 3 mounts, 2 on the outside edges and then 1 in the middle. And basically the way I ordered it with remotes, and I ordered smart controllers. Now there's all kinds of different ways you can order them. Just go online but I ordered mine with the smart controller, and I ordered a 5-channel remote control so that I could operate 5 blinds on 1 remote control. Now I test fitted just to make sure it was going to go inside here really nice. And then basically I measured 4 inches off of each side and then 1 in the middle, and then basically just screwed these up there. And I kind of made a mark. You can put them deep in the window, or you can hold them out. And now in my case, this is an operable window, and I wanted to make sure that when it opened, that the blind itself missed the operating handle down at the bottom, and it actually ended up working perfect. So I basically just mount each one of these screws in the exact same distance away from the jamb, and 2 screws in each one. They do have a little rubber pad under them that you kind of have to hold there, but basically it's just 2 screws in each bracket, and this particular window has 3 brackets, so there's not a lot to say about it. It's really easy. These mounts have actually a spring in them, so when you go to snap the shade up there, it basically has a little spring in each one, and it's very easy to put it up there and snap it in. You can see right here, I snap it in, and I just go to each bracket and make sure they all 3 snapped in really good, and that was basically it. You know, it has a little fur strip in between there on the top, probably some kind of protector thing. And then basically right here you mount. So once you get it mounted, you got your batteries and your remote. There's a little button on the shade, and you push that until it jogs a couple times, and then your controller works. Now this one's on number 2 because I already did one in the bathroom. And then basically you kind of just check everything and you're pretty much done. And basically the only other thing is to adjust them. So I'm on the number 1 shade, and I know that's the first one that I installed here. Now I want to adjust this bottom so it's not resting on the sill. So I'm going to hold the middle button and the down button. I'm going to hold that until it jogs. Okay, there you saw it jog. Now I'm going to put it up to where I want, which is right about there. Then I'm going to hold the 2 buttons down again. And that should be it. So let's go ahead and we'll send her up. We'll stop her. And then we'll put her back down, and it should stop above the sill. Beautiful. Okay, right here I'm going to adjust. I'm going to go ahead and adjust this last one. This is a review on Smartwings from Amazon. And the company, I don't know if it's an Amazon company, but I ordered these out off of Amazon. And you can order them, like I said, in all different colors. And they just work brilliantly. I would have to give these a thumbs up. And matter of fact, I didn't want to order all. So now right here, watch what I do. I'm going to hold the middle button down and the down button. I'll hold that down till it jogs. So now you see it jog. Now I'm going to put it up to where I want, which is right about there. Now I'm going to hold both those buttons down again until it moves. And then that should be it. Now, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but most of the time it's been because I pushed the buttons wrong. But now if I take this up, we won't go all the way up, but I'll show you. It should stop where I wanted it. I basically just want it right above the sill. I don't mind if a little light comes in. See, it stopped right above the sill, perfect. Anyway, Smartwings shades. I would definitely give these things a thumbs up. They were really easy to install. I mean, I installed 4 of them in, I don't know, less than a half hour probably. But you can order them in all different kinds of colors. And this particular color is linen. You can see it's kind of a cloudy day. We're hoping to get some snow pretty soon. Actually, it's getting pretty cold. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and yeah, Smartwings, thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Later.
There he goes, it's a working man. He's trying to make a living any way he can. And he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. Oh, work it out.